Themes. You know it, it's everywhere. If you have at least used any electronic device, you were greeted with themes. And themes for your Shopify store are no exceptions, if not crucial. Welcome to Shopify Theme Review, a series where I review every theme for your Shopify powered store from A to Z, just so you know if you're getting your money's worth. This time, we're looking at Symmetry theme. Robert from PageFly here. Before diving in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce content. In this video, I'll cover 7 parts: overview, styles and features, theme settings, loading speed test, customers' reviews, pros and cons, and the PRM. Symmetry is the next big name we're putting under the spotlight this time. While it doesn't live up to its name, because web themes cannot obviously be symmetrical, it does live up to the expectations of the fanbase of Clean Canvas, the creator of this stunning theme. If you love it at first sight, head on over to themes.shopify.com like usual and purchase this theme for $360. Then, it'll only take about 10 to 20 seconds to have it fully installed, fully equipped, ready to go on your Shopify admin. Still unsure? Then let these real Shopify stores that have been using this theme do the talking. We've got Rogue, presenting a beautiful display of fall-winter clothing. Little Howdy, showcasing a wide range of Texas-inspired kid-friendly goods. Yellow Box Footwear, who use every ounce of this theme's offerings to sell unique shoes. And Trinda, letting this theme speak volumes about the beauty of their watches. From what we're seeing, this theme best fits high-volume stores and physical stores. If your brand is either performing a large number of transactions in a given time or has a brick-and-mortar store, or both, then Symmetry is your match. Once you swipe right with Symmetry, make sure to check out the home pages where the best offerings are highlighted. About Us pages that will take you through a brand's fairy tale, and product pages that looks as pro as they can be. And don't forget mobile views too. As the website draws in a huge amount of monthly mobile traffic, you might not want to miss out on this. Check out Symmetry in action on mobile. Like any other theme, Symmetry also has 4 distinct theme styles, allowing you to have a multitude of choices for your needs. Starting off with Chantilly, that exudes opulence and luxury. Then there's Saltyard, which displays a classic and contemporary visuals. Beatnik, a perfect blend of simplicity and sophistication. And Duke, a rustic style with a bold look and strong feel. It looks great, but does it work great? You bet it does. Check out these features of Symmetry. There is multi-level navigation menu, in-cart recommendations, live search, and horizontal product tabs. And I personally love Beatnik style that has minimum design with maximum impact. You get influence as you scroll. And once you're done with it, it comes with my most favorite features, which is in-cart recommendations. Gotta have those upsells and cross-sells in. You know it works great, but how does it do it? Great question. Allow me to go through several settings of prominent features of this theme. Let's first look at the slideshow, where you can adjust the fixed height of it on desktop, mobile, select which overlay to use, and more settings like transition and navigation here. Adjust the heading and the collection you want to feature here in this featured collection, in which you can also adjust how many items you want to display. Upload a background video of your choice freely here in this background video sections, along with several settings like overlay and layout. and let your customers find your store easily through Maps section, where you can configure your store address, working hours through Google Maps. Symmetry is like the jack of all trades. You can pretty much find the section you want here if you're ever looking at one random landing page and go, I wonder if any Shopify theme has this. The number of sections is abundant. Visuals deal a remarkable impact. Configuration is at minimum as it's designed. We could be having a superstar theme here, folks. Loading speed test. Let's do this. As usual, Google Page Speed to measure the performance score of this theme, and we're going for both laptop and mobile. On laptop, it gets 72 performance score, and on mobile, it's going at 68 performance score. So there you go. They're not lightning fast, but they're fast enough. Curious on what past customers are talking about? Review tab for this theme on Shopify Theme Store got you covered. As of this video, Symmetry has got 295 positive reviews to 12 negative reviews. A 93 contentment rate from theme users. Simply marvelous. Let's go over the bright side and the dark side so we get the full picture. Positive reviews.
Our Spanish designer picked this theme to showcase our cards at www.foldingstuff.co, and we're so glad he did. Clean, simple, and flexible. So intuitive for all our staff to use. Also comes with great support when necessary.
Absolutely high-end theme in our eyes. Has many sales-promoting features as well as many small refinements built in that most theme providers do not even consider. The theme can also be designed individually. A great detail that is important to us is that you can set the free shipping banner to each country individually.
Negative reviews.
The theme is slow. For this price you can obtain better themes. When I configuring the variants with the products, there are variants that do not change with the images, and in others they do. Also, I contacted support to solve some problems in the code. They have not contacted me back. They say that they contact you in 24 hours, but 72 hours have passed and nothing.
The minimal design compromises conversion as they don't add a call to action to products. If you want your web to convert, you will have to pay a developer to fix this on top of the theme price. I do not recommend.
No review is complete without unbiasedly mentioning two sides of the story. Pros. Symmetry is incredibly minimal in terms of design that still grabs attention thanks to its creative layout. Features like quick buy and in-cart recommendations really take your CR to the moon, as they suggest and remind your customers of additional purchases. Symmetry brings in all colors of the spectrum, providing 4 styles that fit various kinds of businesses. Now cons. There will be a bit of a learning curve as it's quite hard to master this theme's functionalities. And this theme requires additional help from third parties for extensive customizations. Sections are abundant, while the settings within them are not as much. So if you want to dive deeper, you might have to reach out to Clean Canvas. It becomes really obvious that pros outnumber cons this time. This shows that Symmetry has got what it takes to be an all-around theme that suits your store no matter what it is about. That's basically it for the main part of our review. If you binge reading more than watching a review of similar topic, we've got a handy blog post that covers everything Symmetry, link in the description. The PRM is back. On a scale of 0% to 100%, how recommended is this theme to you? Price, quite high. Visuals are exquisite. Ease of use, I didn't even break a sweat. Features are abundant. Loading speed, not the fastest, but still delivers. And compared to the market, pricier, but in terms of quality, it dominates. That being said, the PRM goes to 92%. An amazing theme overall. That's it for us for now. Stay stay tuned for more Shopify theme reviews in the future. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can bring more of our insights into themes for your pleasure viewing. Until next time!